Just readjust it. It's okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. After 2 weeks, I was not active on this channel, so I finally decided to come here and show myself to you and introduce myself and talk about something about my channel, about myself, and something else. I don't know. At first I introduce myself because I know after you know that you get more surprise, and because I already know that, so let me tell you that my name is Samuel. I'm behind all. My name is, my apologies, my name is Samuel, but you can call us Samuel if it's easier, okay? So I'm behind all of these face characters, all of these drawings in this channel, and I'm the guy who created this channel, but didn't want to show myself too soon, because I wanted we get more than 100 subscribers and then I come here, but for some reasons I want to mention that I decided to do it right now, okay? So the point is, I'm not living in US or Britain or Canada or Australia. Where I'm living is Iran, and I'm Iranian. And because you maybe see my accent is a little weird, and maybe I'm a little weak when I'm speaking, but I'm a little better than before, okay? I practice so much so I can talk this comfort, but I feel I'm still weak, you know? It'll need time to pass. So let me tell you something. I was not active on this channel these 2 weeks, and that's because I actually was a little what was that word? Yeah, I actually was a little disappointed, and that was because I didn't saw any more progress in my channel, you know. But I was thinking about it so much that I should create another YouTube channel and start again, or just working on it, you know. And it's all because the people who were commenting below my movies, and they were saying something like don't give up, keep going, and something like that. And all motivations was so valuable for me, so I was thinking about it, and I was so hesitated that which one is true, what way I gotta what way I gotta choose, okay? So finally decided to come here and talk to you so honestly about what I wanna do. Unfortunately, these days I have not enough time to upload videos every day, and I barely prepared this background, this beautiful background, to recording videos and talk to you face to face. I don't know if it's not common in your language. My apologies, okay? So what I just want to do is just drawing celebrities' faces and talking to you. What are the topics that I want to talk to you? I'll just talk about whatever that related to me, or that related to my country, or something else, like maybe sometime I come here talk to you about the books I already read, or maybe talk to you something like the life, the meaning of life, the successful, something like that. But I don't want to show you the topics, okay? I want to show you the topics in the thumbnails. I want it become more secret to make you click on my videos and watching it, okay? Also do draw famous characters, like this character that is Johnny Depp, that already created, was like already so much for us for getting 50 subscribers, but unfortunately we did not, and it was bad for me. I was feeling so bad. So I do talk to you and draw characters, rather draw famous characters. I'm not promised always drawing creating famous characters, but do try it, do it, okay? I just want to upload free videos every week, each week. I just wanna upload free videos each week, okay? And because I'm not able to upload videos every day like what I already did, because I wanted to sit here and talk to you. You know what was my videos drawbacks. You were coming here, clicking on my videos, and when you are watching my videos, you are losing your mind. So you just watching the end of videos to see the result, and then leaving my videos. So it really hit my channel, and because of all these things, I decided to come here to talk to you. But I want to mention that this is exactly what I wanted, because I really wanted to create already wanted to create YouTube channel just to talk, okay? Or casting about some excuse for talking to you about everything, but unfortunately I was not able to do that, okay? So I decided to just create this channel, drawing, getting more subscribers, getting more viewers, and maybe getting more audience, and someone maybe watch my videos, and we getting more and more and more. And finally, after getting 100 subscribers, I come here and say, yeah, surprise, I'm that guy who's behind these characters. But I did that too earlier, because I saw my channel is so what I wanted to say because I saw I'm losing my channel, I'm doing nothing on my channel, and maybe my subscribers do unsubscribing me, really making me feel bad, making me feel awful, okay? So that's what I wanted to do after now, and I want you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, and if you are watching my videos until this time, please give me one of these I don't know what are these emojis, yeah, one of these emojis in the comments, so it giving me more motivation, and also help my YouTube channel to help my YouTube channel getting more viewers, okay? Thank you all of you for watching my video. I apologize if I did forgot that the words during our talking, you know. I'm talking to you, but I'm newbie after all. and I have practiced more and more and more. Finally I'm getting better. Maybe it take 2 years of my time, 3 years of my life, but if eventually happened to me. Okay, so thank you all of you for watching my videos. That's it. Subscribe me, subscribe me, subscribe me.